Hello everyone and welcome to a new video tutorial. In this video we'll be discussing about Prestashop Marketplace mobile app builder, that is Mobikul, and we'll see how it can convert your Prestashop Marketplace into an iOS app. So let's get started with the video and see what are the features of this. So this is the home page. The customer will be able to see this page when they arrive on your mobile app. So here the admin can add various banners and they can associate any product or categories with those banners, such as we have clicked one banner and we are now redirected to this product page. After that, the customer can see that the products are divided into various categories such as popular, bestsellers, specials. So the admin can choose which product to show under which category. And at the bottom there is option for newsletters. In here the customer can subscribe to the newsletters by entering the email address and clicking on subscribe. And at the very bottom of the page there are these four options, that is home, search, notification and cart. So home button is for home. After there is option for search. In here the customer can search for any product or any keyword by entering any keyword, and then they'll be able to see all the product containing that keyword. Then there is option for notification. The customer will be able to see all the notifications here. After there is option for cart, the customer will be able to see the shopping cart, and when they add any product into their cart they'll be able to see them here, and they can easily choose to remove any of the product by just clicking on this cross button, and then that product will then be deleted from the list. So these are all the options which are present on the home page. After that, when the customer click on these three dots, they'll be able to see that there are various options. So now let's just quickly log in. So after logging in, these are all the options which are present here. First one is to order history and details. In order history and details, the customer will be able to see their order history, and they can click on details to view their order details, and they can also reorder the same product by clicking on reorder. As you can see, here's the reorder button. After that, my credit slips. In here the customer will be able to see the credit slips. Then there is option for address book. In here the customer will be able to see their addresses. They can add their address, they can delete the address, or they can even add a new address by clicking on add new address. After there is option for my personal information. In my personal information, the customer will be able to set their name, the email address, their date of birth, and they can change their password, and they can also choose to subscribe or unsubscribe to the newsletter and special offer letters. After there is option for my vouchers. Then my wish list, the customer will be able to see their wish list here, and they can even add any new wish list, and they can click on view to view all the products which are present in the wish list, and they can even set the priority for the products as high, low or medium. Then there is option for seller dashboard. So this is the option which is only present for the customer who are also the sellers of the marketplace. So if a customer is the seller of the marketplace, they'll be able to see this option. If not, then they'll not be able to see this option. So under seller dashboard, the seller will be able to see their dashboard. So when clicking on dashboard, they'll be able to see the recent orders, and then they'll be able to see the purchases according to the graph. Then there is seller profile. The seller will be able to see their profile like this. And there is also the social profile links. The seller can add various their social profile here. And there is option for view collection. Seller can click on it and view all the collection. After that, there is option for seller collection. So the seller can see that from the seller profile page also. Then seller orders. So in here the seller will be able to see all the orders that have been made against their product. So if a seller is selling some product and some customer ordered that product, then those order will be shown here. Seller can choose to see the order details like this. So this is all the options which are present in the seller dashboard. So now coming back to here. Now here are options such as about a service, customer service, terms and condition, privacy policy. So these are all the options which are provided by the store owner, so the customer can see all these here. Then there is option for contact us. The customer can directly contact the store owner. They just have to provide their order reference ID and they can write their message then. Then there is the option for currency. The customer can choose to view the products into currencies. So the admin can provide various currencies here. So currently there is the currency which is shown is dollars. The customer can change this to euro by clicking on euro. As you can see, the currency is changed to euro. The admin can provide various currencies here. And the same is for language. The admin can provide various languages. So the customer can see the store in their favorable language. And when clicking on these three bars, the customer will be able to see all the categories which are present in the store. So now let's just try going to a product page and purchasing some item. So this is the product page. In here the customer will be able to see the product images and they can click on images to view them. They can also click on the image and they can zoom in on the image. After that, there is an option for write a review. So the customer can write a review for the product. The customer can also share this product with their friends and family by clicking on the share option, and they can select the size. So these are the custom options. They can select the size. Then they can select the color. So there are two colors, orange and blue. Let's select blue. So now we have selected the blue. As you can see, when we have selected the blue, the product image also changes to blue. So these are the custom options. And when we are happy with all these things, we can click on add to cart. And the customer can also add the product into the wish list by clicking on add to wish list. And then there will be an option for choosing to which wish list they want to add this product. And then they have to click on done. And then that product will then be added to the wish list. So now let's just go to our cart. And as you can see, now these two products are added in a cart. So if a customer wants, they can delete any product by clicking on the cross button. Or if they don't want, they can leave it in the cart and they can then proceed to the checkout. So on the checkout page, the customer have to choose the addresses. So they can choose the address from various addresses that they have added in the cart. They can click on continue then. After that, they have to select the delivery method. Then they have to agree to the terms and condition. Then they have to click on continue. Then they can choose the payment methods. And when they are happy with all the information, they can click on place order. And then their order will be placed. And they'll be able to see their order information by going to my accounts and order history and then clicking on details. So they'll be able to see all the order details here. So this was all for the Prestashop Marketplace mobile app builder, that is Mobikul. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day.